powder that they actually is sculpting every single petals for you. Absolutely. Live Vase, I love it. It's like today I was really tempting. It's what I want is so bad on the nails, but I don't want to like make everybody disappointed because is wool dropping really soon. Team working so hard to get it on available for us, and there are so many thousand of them. You see, baby mix jar will have 1,000 of different jars and ready to ship. You see these flowers, it's like 12,000 now. Look at this, oh my God, I just like mind blow. Okay, so condensed glue gels, and we are going to using a no wipe top coat. Oh, I can't wait because from now it's going to do all different. We can do weaver gel together. We can even do a 40. I will share with you how you can able to do this, and then you can add some leaves on it, right? To add it on to make it really is more fun for the client's nails. Trust me, if you're wearing this, the client's asking for it, they are like going really like crazy for this. It was, oh my God, I want this. And they don't mind to pay for it because they know that is the value and the hard works that you know, put it on. So I'm gonna do this now, top coat on the top. That's the keys. If you forget the top coat, you might want to add it on because in that way you're gonna prevent from all the furs and the hairs and all of different stuff or dust. The client's wearing it, they wash their hands and it's gonna get stuck in between the diamond dust Pixie. So you want to make sure you get them on. So when you place your sprinkle your diamond dust Pixie, they will stay nice and clean. I just add some crystal. You can add any colors. I just happen that I'm doing some of our flowers mix jars right here, so you see how powerful of your $5 nail art. We're doing it was really is the same missions of really want to support our nail tech for all of you who is really dedicated and still trying to make it really work on our industry. So this is for you, no one's but for you. So this is the number 3 is Diamond Dust Pixie's ombre, and I'm gonna need another tray. Here you go. Hi, Sharenda. All right, let's sprinkle it in. Tap it, make sure that all of the edges you're gonna do to keep it just tap it gently, so then that way it would not. You can do AB. AB looks good too. It just happened that I want to do this. Just me. However, you do AB if you feel like AB go a long way. You can do anything with AB. I just love these colors and I want to do in the top and see how it turned out for us. You see the details not bad at all. So clear this one for 60 seconds. I know, it just like threw us off because we have all the beautiful flowers on it, like ones. That's when it take over of everything. And you make sure you pour this back in, so then that way you can use it in the future. So it doesn't stick any gels at all, so it's still really good. All right, so let's move on to the next one.